Let's see this question. The average age of 12 persons in a committee is increased by 1 year when 2 men is 35 and 43 are replaced by 2 women. Find the average age of 2 women. So they are saying that initially there is some average with 2 people in that group whose age is 35 and 43. Later they both are removed and replaced by some other people. Then the average has changed. It increased by 1 year. Now they are asking what would be the average weight of the new people newly added. So like this. So let us say 12 members are given, A1, A2, A3, so on, A10, plus out of which 2 people's weight we already know, age we already know, so I am just writing it, 35 and 43. Now when this average is found out, this average we don't know, let's assume that it is X, right? Later when these 2 people are replaced by someone else, right, we don't know what their weights are, so which means A1 plus A2 plus so on plus A10 plus we don't know what their ages are. Let's assume that their ages are A11 and A12, which means these 2 people are removed and these 2 people are added to the group. And now when the new average is found out, it happened to increase by 1, X plus 1, right? Now we are supposed to find out what is the average of this. So in order to find out the average of this, you have to find out this sum. They are not asking about the individual values because it will be difficult to find out in this question. Only average is asked. So in order to find it out, you have to find out what this is in terms of X. Later if you can cancel out X, that will be helpful. Now if you observe this, 35 plus 43 is 78. Therefore A1 plus A2 plus A3 so on A10 can be written as 12x minus 78. So here I can write it as 12x minus 78 plus A11 plus A12 is equal to, I can take it this way, so 12x plus 12. Got it? Now 12x will get cancelled. So A11 plus A12 is equal to 90. So what is asked? Average is asked. So average means these 2 divided by 2, average of those 2 is going to be 45. Got it? Okay, and the next question is, the other way of solving it is, see, the entire average of 12 people has been incremented by 1 case. So what does it mean? The total ages, the entire average is incremented by 1 case, it means the total ages have been incremented by 12 years. Then only the entire average is going to increment by 1. See, you have let's say 12 people, right, and all are having some average, let's say X. Now if their average is incremented by 1, which means this entire amount has to be multiplied with, this increase has to be multiplied by 12, right? So we are now getting a new extra of 12 years. How is it possible? It is possible because the new additions or the new replacement is 12 kgs extra compared to the old people, right? So now compared to this 78, the new people are going to bring in 12 years extra. Then only the average is going to increase by 1, right? Therefore this must be the sum of the weights of those 2 new people added, right? So average is this. Now what is it? Again 90 by 2, which is 45. So either you do it this way or that way, both is same. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.